AI retirement hacks, the secret to retiring rich or losing it all. What if I told you AI could make you rich or ruin your retirement? Imagine this. You've worked your whole life, saved diligently, but one wrong decision, one financial mistake, and boom, your golden years turn into a nightmare. Now, AI promises to fix all that. It claims to find hidden investment opportunities, cut unnecessary expenses, and optimize your financial future. But here's the catch. Can you really trust AI with your life savings? Or are we handing over our money to something that doesn't even think like a human? Let's dive deep and find out if AI is your golden ticket or your financial downfall. Retirement used to be simple. Work hard, save money, enjoy your golden years, not anymore. Today, inflation is skyrocketing, pensions are shrinking, and Social Security? Let's be honest, it's not enough. Most retirees are outliving their savings. And here's the shocking part. 75% of people don't even know how much they actually need to retire comfortably. But AI? It claims to have the answers. With just a few clicks, it can tell you exactly what to invest in, when to cash out, and even how to minimize taxes. It's like having a financial advisor, but one that never sleeps. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the dark side. AI isn't perfect. Financial AI systems have made massive mistakes. Just ask the people who lost millions because an algorithm made a bad trade. Even big banks rely on AI now, but guess what? Some of their AI models have been caught giving biased financial advice. And let's not forget, AI doesn't have emotions. It doesn't care if you're trying to retire early, pay off debt, or help your grandkids. It just crunches numbers. AI can be a powerful tool, but if you don't understand how it works, it might lead you down a financial disaster without you even realizing it. AI can make or break your financial future. Learn how to use it wisely. The good news? AI can work in your favor if you know how to use it. Here's what the financial experts are doing. Number 1, AI-powered investing tools. Apps like Betterment and Wealthfront can build a portfolio designed for you. They analyze market trends in real time and adjust your investments to maximize gains. By tracking changes in the financial landscape, these tools can make quick, data-driven decisions to capitalize on emerging opportunities, ensuring your portfolio stays ahead of the curve. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on your goals while your investments grow. Number 2, expense tracking AI. Platforms like YNAB, You Need a Budget, use AI to spot where you're overspending and help you save more without even thinking about it. By learning your spending patterns, AI tools can send alerts, suggest adjustments, and even categorize your expenses automatically, making budgeting easier and more intuitive. Over time, these platforms can optimize your financial behavior, helping you save more efficiently and reach your financial goals faster. Number 3, retirement planning. AI tools like NewRetirement and Empower use AI to predict your future expenses and make sure you don't run out of money. These tools analyze your income, spending habits, and retirement goals to create personalized strategies that maximize your financial stability for the long term. With real-time projections and scenario modeling, AI can offer insights into the best ways to allocate your savings and investments to secure a comfortable retirement. Number 4, AI-driven tax optimization. Some AI platforms analyze your income and investment returns to find ways to legally reduce your tax burden, putting more money in your pocket for retirement. By using advanced algorithms to identify deductions, credits, and tax-saving strategies that you might otherwise miss, AI-driven tax optimization tools can ensure you're minimizing your liabilities. This can make a significant difference over time, leaving you with more savings to invest in your future. Actionable pro tip: don't rely on just one AI tool. Use a combination of AI-driven investing, budgeting, and tax-saving strategies to build a complete retirement plan. By integrating these tools into your financial routine, you're not just setting yourself up for a comfortable retirement, you're maximizing every opportunity for growth and efficiency. AI gives you the power to make smarter, more informed decisions, all while saving you time and effort. But remember, AI should be your assistant, not your boss. Don't trust it blindly. Use it to make smarter decisions, not all your decisions. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your financial strategy. Use it wisely. At the end of the day, retirement isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, security, and peace of mind. AI can help you get there faster and smarter, but only if you stay in control. The world is changing, and those who adapt will thrive. Will you be the one who takes advantage of AI, or will you sit back and let the future decide for you? Your financial future is in your hands, so make the choice today. Learn, adapt, and secure the retirement you deserve. The best time to prepare for retirement was yesterday. The second best time is now. Want to take charge of your retirement? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Will you trust AI with your finances? Let's talk. See you in the next video.